Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks, and I'm not 100% sure. The young man asked me a question. He wanted to use the blend tool, but they weren't all even, like they progressively got bigger. Well, if you're two items, I've got a 1-inch square and a 1-inch square. I've selected them both. I'm going to go to Effects, Blend, and I'm going to blend them just 6 times and hit Apply. You get 6 1-inch squares. Now you have to go to Arrange and break blend apart to actually, and then you have to go to Group and Ungroup to ungroup this blend. But I've still got a 1-inch square. Now here I have a 1-inch square. Here I have, well, let's make it 2 inches. And I'm going to blend these two 6 times and hit Apply. And you can see they progressively get larger. That's kind of what the blend tool does. It'll blend, two objects. You can have a square, and you can have a circle, and you can blend them, and they will actually conform to weird shapes. You wouldn't probably ever want to do that, but that's what it's doing. It's turning a rectangle or a square into a, trying to turn it into a circle. Anyway, I hope that answered his question, and thank you for watching.